going to give lunch for Kuya Ryan. Nagsasapatos kasi ako. Oh, say bye na to them. Say bye. Ryan. Mami.
Say bye.
Say bye, Mami. Hindi ko masuot ang sapatos ko. I cannot wear my shoes. Okay? Bye, Mami. Say bye. Para talaga kung saan pupunta. Sa napakalapit lang. Happy. Laging gustong gumala. Yeah. Hello.
Yes.
Are you surprised? He's here?
Yeah, wait, teacher coming down, I think.
Teacher is calling him?
Teacher is calling him, I think.
Say bye to Kuya na. Bye-bye. So Kuya will eat. Bye. See you later. Love you. Let's go, Mommy. Yeah. Let's go. May binigay yung teacher ni Ryan na kailangan kong fill upan. Kaya nagpunta siya sa amin kanina. Tapos binigay niya ito. Maui guys, pag lumalabas kami, gusto niya lagi siyang kasama. Ang problema, kasama mo siya for a while. Gaya kanina, kasi nga maghatid ng baon ni Ryan. Pero after that, ayaw na niyang umuwi. Gusto niyang gumalat na lang. Ang init naman sa labas. Sabi namin, mamaya na. Labas tayo ulit mamaya. Ayaw niya umiyak. Pero no choice siya kasi nga sobrang init guys. Gawa tayo ng itlog para kay Daddy Ram. Egg omelette daw. How much is the egg, Daddy? One tray?
One tray? 270.
270. Mas mura dun sa bangkerohan. In bangkerohan?
250 maybe.
Not much difference. Only 20 pesos? Tito Ram's working buddy.
Yeah. Colleague, my colleague.
He's so serious. He's so cute. Are you gonna be an IT also? Huh? Like that? Guys, may gagawin kami ni Ishi. Japanese food ni Shing, di ba Shing?
I'm not sure.
Japanese, Korean, we are not sure anong name din. Basta masarap. Lagyan namin ito. Seaweed. Then ito din. So first rice and then tuna Shing. Everything.
Yeah.
Kinsa ang nagtudlo sa imo? Si Kuya.
Kuya Bar.
Recipe daw ito ni Bryle.
I think nakita niya sa TikTok.
Sa TikTok lang pala ito galing, guys. Yes. Your friends again? Daddy Ram? Maui is not angry at you anymore?
No.
More? I-mix pa? Or enough na? Then, Japanese mayo. Tingnan ko Shing how much, ha?
Depends how much you want, but we usually put a lot.
I want a lot also. Tell me to stop.
Stop.
Okay. Ooh. Smells good now. Next. Muna? Kanina lang?
Yeah. You can add more of this if you want.
Okay.
I think we need more too now.
It's okay. Looks fancy. Adiram, you wanna try our experiment?
No.
No. And ilagay dito sing. Let's taste. Anila?
Yeah.
Seagrass is it?
Huh?
Sheep.
Seaweed.
Seaweed, right?
It's good.
Seaweed is good actually.
You should try that. Yeah.
I
Should not be scared.
I don't know what you mix with the rice.
It's just tuna.
Why?
Lamig kasi. You finish the whole thing, kani?
Yeah.
Ate Joy, come na. Let's eat. Ayan guys, ito tayo sa kwarto and it's almost 2 o'clock na. 1.5 hour more. Sundan na natin si Ryan. Then, nag-transfer lang ako ng mga files. Ito yung mga daily vlogs ko na around 10 GB, 7 GB yung iba. Na-transfer ko dito sa storage. Malapit na ito mapuno. 1 terabyte ata ito. Ganyan talaga, kailangan nating ipunin ang ating mga videos. Then, ito naman, pinaprint ko kasi kailangan gumawa ng project nila yan. Mamaya, pagdating niya. Nainis ako kay Daddy Ram. Lumabas siya, pumunta siya sa barber shop at magpapagupit daw siya. So, sabi ko sa kanya, since lalabas ka naman, punta ka naman sa City Mall kasi kailangan ko ng mga colored paper para sa project na gagawin ni Ryan mamaya. Pag ano ka guys, independent woman ka na, nawawalan ka na ng mga request privileges. Ang sabi ba naman sa akin is, pagkatapos na lang daw niyang magpagupit, pumunta daw ako sa City Mall at ako daw ang magmotor magpunta doon at bumili ng colored paper ni Ryan. Yung City Mall is around 5 minutes away from here lang yan guys ha. Tapos madadaanan niya naman papunta doon sa barbershop niya. Pero ayaw niya talaga pumunta doon sa mall at bumili ng colored paper. Kasi ako na lang daw nakakainis. Sabi ko sa kanya, okay. Okay lang. Sige. Kaya ko namang gawin yun mamaya. Kung ayaw mo, okay lang. Gusto ko sanang i-prepare muna lahat para pagdating nila yan, masimulan na niya agad. Kasi ang daming assignments. Guys, my God, nakakaloka. Ganito pala dito sa Pilipinas. Ang daming assignments ng mga bata everyday. Sa India, hindi naman masyado. Tapos, uso pa dito yung mga ganito project, mga arts. Sa India, wala sila masyadong ganito. Focus sila guys sa math, sa English, sa computer. Ay, so ako yung na-stress sa mga assignments nila yan. Tapos, ang dami pang Tagalog, GMRC, TLE, Aralpan, Filipino. Baka kumuha kami ng Filipino tutor nila yan. Kasi, nahihirapan ang ating baby boy. Pero okay lang yan. Ganyan naman talaga. Mag-i-improve din siya kasi kakasimula lang, diba?
Haircut mabuti.
And someone is back, guys.
I went to the same barber Ryan did. Only the problem is I did not understand what he's saying. He didn't understand what I'm saying. But he's very good. Showing him pictures like that, he did so good. End up asking, Pilla, 100.
100.
I said, you got here 100. What about beard? You did all over. I don't know what he said. Yeah. He said, he said, Shikvinta. Okay. So good. He's really.
Where's my colored paper?
After shower, I will go.
Later we'll get. We'll pick
When
up Ryan.
Ryan, I will get.
Okay. Yung aking sister, guys, na very generous, na ayaw niyang magutom ang kaniyang kapatid, bumili ng turon. 2 klase. Alam niya kasi na hindi ako pwede ng banana, diba? So, ito banana. Then, ito ay ube. Sarap na, guys. Para ito sa akin talaga kasi hindi ako makakain yan. Pero, nakakaingit. Love na love ko pa naman yung banana. Kaya lang may allergy nga tayo, diba? Daddy Ram, come and try this ube turon if you want.
What is that?
Ube turon. Yum. It's good. There's banana also. Your favorite. You like that one more? Okay.
One more.
Huh?
One more. Hello, Ube, I don't know.
Tinitrace ko lang ito, guys. Para mamaya siya na yung mag gunting at magdikit. Kasi hindi tayo artistic. So ang ginawa ng mother, nag-print from internet, then iti-trace na lang. Dahil hindi tayo marunong mag-drawing talaga. Where's he? Why?
You want to spend some time, his friends are there playing. He asked the teacher permission, she said yes.
Seriously? Oh my god. Ito yung talent ni Bata. You have a lot of assignments, Baya, ha? Uy.
Okay, mom is there too.
This is the assignment. Hello. Put your shoes there. How's school?
Nice.
Everything good? You finish everything? Lunch, breakfast?
Yeah.
That's good. So you requested that you will stay for a little longer at school. Play
Yeah.
with your friends.
And then some event is there, the practicing dance. It's a huge group in the school, but he doesn't know. Not his class, only high school.
Oh, maybe. Okay.
There's a lot of people playing.
Get fresh, get fresh. Diba? Simula na, guys, ng kumbate. Kumbate agad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This is also cement.
Ganito karami ang kailangan na sagutan ng ating baby boy. Come on. Write faster. So,
No.
we'll finish fast, Nana, please. Ilang oras na naman tayo dito, guys, today. Minsan, hindi ko natapos ang aking vlog dahil hanggang gabi nandito kami ni Ryan. Gumagawa ng kanyang assignments. Ang tatay, guys, chilling. Stress-free. Stress-free. Right, Ryan?
Yeah.
So, sa mga nagtatanong dyan, guys, bakit si Mami Verly ay hindi pa pinu-proceed ang kanyang nursing career. Dahil dito, guys, kailangan ako ni Daddy Ram sa aming business. Kailangan ako ng anak ko sa mga assignments niya. Siyempre, pag-aalaga ng pamilya muna. Darating tayo dyan. One day at a time. Sila muna. Pero, yun nga, nag-review na ako, guys. Mga refresher course. Para, pag nag-ano tayo, interview, meron tayong masagot. Okay? Minsan naaawa ako dito sa ating Ryan kasi yun nga, galing school, syempre, pagod, pahinga lang konti, kain, then ito na assignments. Patapos nito, tulog na agad. Minsan hindi na nakakapaglaro sa kanyang Ate Ishi. Gusto ko kasi as much as possible may pahinga din kahit pa paano. Syempre, importante yan para sa mga bata. Para hindi sila ma-burn out sa pag-aaral lang. Kaya hindi namin siya masyadong pinipressure, guys. It's not important na maging honor or what lagi namin sinasabi sa kanya or maging perfect score sa exam. Basta do your best lang. Maingay ang mga dogs sa labas na naman. Mga ganitong oras, talagang nag-iingay sila, guys. And si Ryan, hindi pa siya sanay gumamit ng pen, guys. Sa India kasi laging pencil lang. So, marami siyang erasures. Binapractice ko siya magsulat almost everyday talaga. Kailangan niya mag-practice para masanay siya. And then, my subscriber na nagsabi, meron palang ganito, guys. Pilot friction pen. So, pwede siyang ma-erase na ballpen. Ballpen siya, pero pwede siyang ma-erase gaya ng pencil. So, darating siya ng July 27 to 31 pa. Parang kailangan na nila yan. So, I will check kung meron dito available sa malapit sa amin. But, thank you talaga sa nag-suggest. Kasi, magiging helpful ito sa kanya. What happened? Erasure na naman. O, tingnan niyo.
It's the right hour.
It's okay. It's okay. Thank you, Daddy Ram, for the tea. Oh, naabot siya.
Where's my boy now?
Naasa gawas. Kaya nag-ihi pa si Ishi. Thank you, Daddy Ram.
Yes. A very long time. Just a grass, kind of a grass. And look at this chilies. So many.
Yeah.
Use.
This one.
And look at mommy.
Oh my God.
He will fall.
Are you gonna become a flower? Are you still a boy or you're already a flower, bro?
Huh?
Flower boy. Flower man boy, baby.
Come on, cool, slowly, yes. Past few days, I think a week or more than a week, I think the weather changed a lot. Especially in the evenings, it's like not that humid, not that hot. Even when we are traveling on the bike, can feel like little cold wind like that. I think because of the rainy season. He want more flowers. How many flowers you want? Right? Look. What? I will get.
I'm gonna go sell this to the merchant. Mr. Merchant, you got wallet. Okay, sell it now. Yeah, you got money. You got chickens now.
Yeah.
Oh, I wanna.
so busy. Mummy Verli is helping him so much homeworks, but still he's so dedicated to go to walking or jogging. So he said he's gonna finish soon, so we will go for a jog. Okay, Nana, I will wait for you.
Almost now.
Yeah.
You just need to run.
Guys, kids Ishi and Ryan is enjoying playing badminton here. This is second day. They love this place.
Welcome back. So, how is it?
Nice.
How many steps?
I didn't really walk. We played.
You played badminton again?
Yeah, I lost. Like a lot.
How about Dad? Did Dad walk or
Yeah, he walks.
played badminton?
Walking.
Okay.
Walking.
Fashion up first. So sweaty. Ayan guys, nakahiga din. Nakapagpahinga din tayo. May group yung teachers nila Ryan, mga parents ng mga estudyante. So, hindi tayo nag-iisa guys na nagreklamo na ang daming assignments. Yung ibang din, parents din ang sabi, buong araw na daw nasa yung mga bata, eskwelahan. Tapos pagdating daw sa bahay, ang daming mga assignments. Kawawa sila, wala silang pahinga. So, we'll see. Basta nasabi na ng parents ang kanilang mga saloobin para sa mga anak. Alam nyo guys, kaya todo yung banding namin nila ate talaga. Kasi malapit na pala silang bumalik ng Amerika. Nakakalungkot. Akala ko may 2 buwan pa. Pero sabi ni ate, baka August alis na sila. Nung sinabi ko kay Daddy Ram, kalungkot talaga siya guys, kasi alam niyo naman na super close na sila ni Maui. Nasa harap ko. So mamimiss niya si Maui.
I'm so sad, okay?
Iniisip niya palang nalulungkot na siya. Talagang mamimiss namin siya. Umpisa, Daddy Ram. We'll see each other again. Malapit na talaga kaming maghiwa-hiwalay. It's okay. Ganyan talaga ang buhay. Kain si Ryan nung ginawa namin kanina ni Ishi. And Maria is crying sa background. Ganon kasi siya. Approve?
We need to finish this.
Yeah, need to finish that.
This is the last seaweed we got.
One more. The last.
She's saying you finish it. Yeah, finish it.
I'm gonna use everything.
Okay.
I'm gonna keep a lot.